Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do a comparison between these two Pedestal fans. So here I have the Shark FlexBreeze fan, and here I have the Dreo Smart fan. So they have some things in common, but they have a lot of things that are not in common. So they both are Pedestal fans. The Dreo, I can adjust this up or down a little bit. The Shark, I cannot. The Dreo, you're going to plug it into the wall with this outlet, and that's how it gets its power. With the Shark now, it has a built-in battery. Now I can plug it into the wall and have it have continuous power, or I don't have to have it. I can unplug this. It has a battery built in up here. I can turn it on. There's controls up here. It'll pivot left or right, but here's the neat thing about the Shark. It has the battery. So here I don't have it plugged in, it's working, and I can also, it's portable. I can press this button, take this with me, put this tripod out, and now I have this little portable fan that is battery powered. I can tilt it up or down, and again, it'll go sideways. I got different speeds, really high. On low, it'll run about an hour and a half. On the max, it'll run about an hour and a half. On the low setting, it'll run about 27 hours. Again, very lightweight, portable. Got a little remote control here that I can control it with, but this is just the neatest little fan that it has battery power. The Dreo does not have battery power. Now it's got a nice remote that comes with it. You've got controls up here. Now the Shark will only pivot, oscillate left or right, and you can control it 3 different pivots, 45, 90, and 180. Now the neat thing about the Dreo is it can pivot left or right, but it can also rotate up or down. Okay, so here I've got the Dreo. Again, it can rotate up. You can turn just that on, or you can turn, now I've got both of them on, so it's oscillating and going up and down. That really kind of gets a lot of circulation going in the room. Different speeds of operation, again, but this one is smart. I can connect my smartphone to it. They have an app. You can connect to it and you can control it. You can move this exactly where you want it with the smartphone. That's pretty neat. This one does not connect to your smartphone, but again, has a built-in battery. I can take this with me on the go, fold up the legs, push it back in here. Now, when I want to charge it, I do have to put it in its base, plug this in. Again, it can have continuous power and it's charging the battery. Now the Shark does have this mister you can put on the front here. You can simply pop it on and connect this to your garden hose. Snap this on right here. It's got an on-off valve. Now, it just puts out a little bitty mist, and with the air blowing, it will help cool you some more. So this is an extra feature with this. Again, I think they both have neat features. Pedestal fans. Let's do some measurements. You know, overall, this Pedestal fan is 36 inches. This one comes in, you know, around 36 too. Width-wise, about 12. The Shark, about 14. Oh, about 11 for the fan itself. This one's about the same. So I think they put out about the same air. I haven't done any testing to see exactly how much air they do in, but I just love the features. Again, this has a little remote here, sticks on the back, nice place for it. I can move this. It has a button here where I can move it left or right manually and have it stop. So if I'm sitting in a chair across the way, I could move this like, oh, point it right on me. I can use this remote to do that and it'll stop right where I need it to. But again, up, down, I have to move it up or down like that. So just really neat fans, quick comparison between these two. I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.